Welcome everyone. Today I am going to show you a machine that can change your workspace. Like if you are in a IT industry or car manufacturing company or any like electrical oven, refrigerator. This machine is the solution for your workspace. It will save your time. It will save your money. Just look how it works. You just take your cable or take your thing that need to be locked, just do it like this. It is very simple and easy to operate. And one more thing, you can just put the handle to here. There is a space for the handle also, and you can see there is a cable. The waste material will go through these boxes, and we have another machine. Store your waste material here like this. It is a different shape. I'll show you. This is a different shape of handle like that. That handle has a pipe from here, and this there is a box, a plastic box, and inside the box the waste material will be stored. And based on your size, you make the handle. Then we have a company almost 6 years. It's been 6 years we are manufacturing and making this machine. And the international company and the smart company already using our machine. So for your industry, we can just contract with us for save your labor costs, for save your money. And there is one more machine. Let me show you. Okay, look. This has different position, and this machine used in the copper motor industry. Okay, this is not just a piece of equipment. This will be a piece of equipment for your industry. Look how it works. You just put the cable here.